Once in a blue moon. I love flowers but I have to buy them myself. My husband only sends me flowers once in a blue moon. He can't even remember the date of our anniversary. His income is so small that his family can eat chicken only once in a blue moon. Spill the beans.
Don't blame me. I didn't tell him. It was Johnny who spilled the beans. Don't spill the beans. It's supposed to be a secret. When you see your friend's guy with another girl, do you spill the beans?
Take a rain check. Hey John, would you like to go to lunch with me today?
I would love to, but I am swamped today and need to work through lunch. Rain check for tomorrow? I would love to go to the cinema but I am busy on Saturday. Can we take a rain check?
Sleep on it. If you aren't sure what to do, sleep on it and let us know what you decide tomorrow. Get out of hand. I know what I'd do to those kids next door if they were mine. They are getting completely out of hand.